Welcome to Techmates. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music not showing all the songs. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you are using the latest version of your app. So head over to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. If your application shows open like mine, that means your application is already updated. Go ahead, open it. Now go ahead, add a post. In my case, I would like to use this existing one, and let's see if all the songs are being shown or not. Let's go ahead, edit this, select songs here, and you will see all the audios like trending or everything that you have saved. But in case you are not being able to see all the songs, you can also consider installing a VPN. For that, head over to your Play Store, type in any VPN, then search. You will see Turbo here. Install any VPN that you are familiar with, toggle it on, and again, try your Instagram. As you do that, this will solve your problem. If you would like to get more tutorials, hit the subscribe button and like our channel. And if you want a guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.